Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to create a new board on Pinterest. So go to your browser and go to pinterest.ph if you're in the Philippines. Then log in to your account. Then after that, go to your profile at the upper right corner and then click the plus sign in here. Then click board. Name your board. And if you want to keep it secret, just check it and then click create. You can also add a description for your board, choose a cover image, and invite collaborators to contribute your board. Then click Done or click Create to save your new board. So that's how to create a new board on Pinterest. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.